Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So this is the beginning of the mods for the Gixxer 750, and what I'm going to do today, I thought, okay, I've got fairings and whatnot coming. I have to put frame sliders on, so I don't want to take that off because the fairings aren't actually here yet. So what I could probably do is just easy stuff that's like, you know, outside the bike, you know, on the outside, and very different to my last bike. I thought, all right, I've got the mid pipe here and some mufflers, so why not try and take the stock muffler off and just see if I can get this mid pipe and muffler to line up with that bracket. So let's get to it. Alright, so I was recording the install of just putting this exhaust on the bike, and I thought, okay, before I record the startup, I'll just check that there's any leaks. So I went to go and start the bike and the battery has gone flat. So I've taken the seat off the bike and this is the battery that's in it. I don't know what brand it is, but it changes the path a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll now install this SSB lithium battery I've got. So it's the exact same model number, which is this one, just there, which I've got in the S750. And interestingly, when you look on eBay for this battery, depending on what bike you've got, so if you tell them you've got a GSX-R 750, the price is like $20 or $30 extra for the exact same battery. So make sure that if you're doing a search for a battery, get the part number and search by the part number instead, because you will find it much cheaper if it's not for an R. Alright, so I've got a small exhaust leak coming from here because I don't have a gasket for this mid pipe to go on here, but I'll be able to buy that. Just wanted to make sure that I can get the mid pipe to fit here. So yeah, it's a bit of a bits and pieces exhaust setup, but it works. Alright, so exhaust and lithium battery are done. Next thing I've got is axle sliders. So these are Savage Racing axle sliders, which I've just purchased off Ali. I had them on the GSX S750, never had a crash, so don't know if there's any issues with it. Interestingly, I have had babyface ones before installed on the S750 from webike. Someone posted a photo of that one which actually absolutely cracked. So put me sort of in two minds about that brand, but I've also got here some bobbins they're like the pins so that the bike can be raised up for servicing. So let's get these installed.